Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to collaborate? In this video, you will learn how to add team members in Trello and get your entire team working together on your boards. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about the Trello Team Members Association within your workspace. Obviously, Trello is a software or an app that is made for helping companies or teams and basically colleagues together to make their work or their projects and tasks more effortlessly and more easily, so they can have like a way to communicate with each others without really like talking to each other, just by having a couple of things in front of their screens, and they can understand each one of the team what is doing exactly. Now in this video we are going to show you exactly how you can basically invite or add team members inside of your Trello workspace. Now, first of all, when you go to Trello, as you can see here, this is Trello.com, you will find your workspaces in here. Basically, if you had the normal account, which is not a premium upgraded account, then you would be able not to create multiple workspaces, but you will be able to create multiple boards within a workspace. Here, workspaces, I cannot create more than one, as you can see right here. So how can we invite people into this workspace? Well, as I said, in case you had multiple workspaces, make sure to go to exactly the workspace that is made for the specific project that you want to invite your team members into it. For me, I have this Tesla one. I'm gonna click right on it. As you can see, once I opened it, I will have this list. So here you can get it started. You will find everything from informations, couple of things to set up your workspace, like start feature of premium, add board to workspace, power apps, other things. But what we are interested in mostly is the members. So go ahead and click on members right over here. This will take you to this page, and in here you will find all the collaborators, which are the workspace members, the guests, and any join requests. On the right, you will find an invite workspace members button. From here, you can invite your colleague and co-workers basically, so they can be a part of this workspace. Also, you can prevent doing that manually, since here you will have to click and then this page or window will pop up, and here you will have to paste their names or basically their email address. In case you don't like this, well, you could create an invite with a link. You could save this link and basically you can share it with your colleagues and basically share it with them. This link will guarantee you up to 10 collaborators and it will stop working. Now, this is only for the free version. With the premium version, you can get more than that. And that's also because the free version has a limit of only 10 people. So you have to understand that before it gets going. So to invite people, there is two ways. Let me just remove this. Yeah, like that. All right, perfect. So here I have to invite someone. So I will click right over here on invite workspace members, and this area will pop up for me. So what I'm gonna do exactly is to go to my other accounts and try to get my email. Just go here, copy the email from this area, go back here, paste it. Now, as you can see, all I have to do next is basically to click send invite. Here in this pop-up, as you will notice, let me just show you guys, you will have this space where you can basically type a description or invitation like thing, like welcome to our team, something like that, etc. And here the one new member license. So here, in case you had to pay something, in case you would have to be charged for anything, it will be mentioned right here. So one new member license, you will be charged 0 now, and your monthly bill will increase by 12.5 on September 20th, 2024. So this is how it do work, as you can see here. So for me now, I'm totally gonna ignore it. Let me just accept all, and yeah, I'm gonna just simply invite this person, send an invite, and as you can see here, I have invited them successfully. Now the invite in Trello doesn't work both ways. For example, I send an invite and the other person will accept. No, I send an invite and the other account will directly join the workspace, so you don't have to wait for him to accept. So here, if I open my other account and I refresh the boards, here as you can see, I am a part of workspace Tesla. Let me quit again. So I will leave workspace, and if I went back and invited myself once more, as you can see, I will be back. So I am back to the board. As you can see, I am back here. So yeah, you don't have to wait like to accept the invite, to refuse it. In case you don't want it, then you can simply just leave. So you can go back here, members, and leave. Of course, the accounts you will not have all the access. As you can see, you need to be an admin, so the people that you invite will not have every privilege, which is very good. Also, there is something that you need to understand is the workspace has multiple boards, as you can see here. Now these boards are all a part of this workspace. Let's say, for example, you want to add team members but not to the workspace. You don't want them to be accessing all these boards. For example, that you have a workspace with the name of your company, and you have multiple boards working as departments. So in that case, I will highly recommend that you do not invite them to the workspace directly, but in fact go to the board itself. For example, you have a board called departments IT. So you go to this departments board, click on it, and click right here on share. Then go to the email address or name, paste the email, choose the privilege like the rank, and just like that, you will be able to actually get the access to invite people exactly into the board, not the workspace. So you only have the access to the specific board, not all the boards that are within the workspace. And that will help you also when you get to kick them from, like, for example, let's say you have invited someone to the workspace by accident and invited them also to the board. When you try to kick them from the workspace, they will still be a part of the board, which is very good. And that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.